Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now by preparing fabric and tools so the transfer bonds correctly. First, you pre-wash the shirt to remove sizing and let it dry completely. This prevents future peeling. Once done, set your iron to the cotton or linen setting and turn off steam so moisture doesn't interfere. Make sure the shirt lies flat on a hard surface. Then place the sticker transfer with its carrier sheet facing up, aligning placement by eye or using a ruler for precision. You will now bond the transfer by applying consistent heat and pressure, which activates the adhesive and fuses the design. Place a parchment sheet over the carrier and press the iron down firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds in one spot, then lift and move to the next area. This avoids scorching. Use short, firm presses in small circular motions and repeat the sequence 2 to 3 times to cover the whole design. Make sure to recheck temperature as you go. You're finishing up. Let the transfer cool for a minute so glue sets, then peel the carrier sheet slowly at a low angle. If instructions say warm peel, do it carefully to avoid tugging. Inspect edges and repress any missed spots with parchment between iron and design, using short presses only. Make sure to wash the shirt inside out on a gentle cycle and air dry or tumble low. If corners lift, heat and press them again. If adhesive still fails, use fabric glue as a backup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.